Okay, so the first step when putting grades into the gradebook is you're going to come to the menu button, and you can just hover over grading, hover over teacher gradebook, and then click. So now you're in your gradebook, and you will select whichever section of your class that you're needing. So if I pick section 1, so first period, I would go to this menu button right here, down to class scores, and click that. So now you have where you can input your assignments. You want to make sure that this says T1 for term 1, and there's a green plus sign over here to the right. We'll click that, and now you can create your assignment. So we're in term 1, so this is correct. For type, this is where you'll pick either activities, tests, or your term exam. So if we do an activity grade, you have your date. So say I want this to be due on Friday, the 19th, and then my title, put homework. Everything here is default. So weight, passing score, possible points, bonus points, we'll leave those alone. But we want our default score to not be an NG, but an NM for no mark. This way it doesn't affect your scores. Everything else you can leave blank and not mess with. You can put comments in if you want to. On the right side is where we have our list of students and the area to put their scores. So you would just plug in their numbers, say that this student didn't turn anything in, so we put a 1 or a 0. That's where you will put that in. Once you've inputted all scores, you would create assignment down here. So if everyone has assignments, create. Now, when you have all of your grades in that you're wanting to put in, there's a thumb tag, a green thumb tag in the right corner, and this is for post grades. You have to select this in order for grades to show up, for students to be able to see them once they have access to their student portals, for them to be on progress reports, report cards. It is a pop-up, so you will have to always allow for the pop-up, and then click it again, and it brings up another window. And all you do is hit post, and that will post the grade so everyone can see it. And that's how you put grades in the gradebook.